Hey everyone, it's Steve with TNT. Just wanted to show you this Lexus TX350. We did our Autobahn i3 Plus multi-layer ceramic film all the way around and including the windshield. So what we have here on the front two windows, that's North Carolina legal limit, so that's 35%. And then on the back half, we tinted over top of the rear factory tint with i3 plus 40%. So it'll darken it a little bit back there, which gives them more privacy and better heat rejection and UV protection. So we'll do a little side shot of this one so you can see. So it looks really nice. This film blocks out 99% infrared heat, which will help keep things cooler. This is our top of the line product. Also comes with a lifetime warranty and a no-fault warranty, which is really nice. And then on the front windshield, we did our North Carolina legal limit clear air ceramic film. This one blocks out about 68% of the infrared heat, which is a nice touch when you're doing the whole vehicle. Keeps that dash cooler, steering wheel cooler. Just totally worth it in my opinion. So if you have any questions, let us know. Just wanted to show you that. Thank you.